everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here, and depending on what the title of this video is, I may or may not be about to make a wreath in 10 minutes. I'm trying. The bow maker is here, which that's what I'm most worried about. I'm not worried about everything else. I have some florals, I have some ribbon, Mother's here for moral support.
Hi.
You gotta go further into that, Mom. Make it all the way
Hey.
in, all the way to the elbow. Okay,
Hey.
there you go. Alright, I'm going to set a timer on my phone after I check my glue. Where is something to check my glue with? I mean, it's hot. I just want to make sure it's
Super.
not super hot. I don't want to... Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. Peel that with my finger. Alright. Are you ready? You remember everything I told you? No curse words.
No curse words.
No vulgarity.
No vulgarity.
No farting.
No farting.
Okay.
I'm still hungry.
Okay. And kill that dog. All right. I'm gonna set a timer. I don't know if it's gonna stay. I don't know if it's gonna stay on here the whole time, but we'll see.
Stop.
Set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay. Should be talking during this time.
Go for it. Why are you nervous? Not like you haven't done this before. You're just doing it on a time now. Beautiful so far.
Alright, that went off of there, but okay, if I hit it, it comes back. Alright, I'm doing a 6-inch bow with this ribbon from Craft Outlet. I'm gonna do 6 loops. Buffalo check. Come in at like 5.5. I can't worry about being exactly precise this time. Is there a pin in that green ribbon? You take a pin out.
This green ribbon?
Yes. No, that one, Mom. The one that's already on the full hold up. Okay, we might have to forego the green ribbon. Okay, no, she got it. How we doing on time? How we doing on time? Oh my god, it's gone. 8:04. Okay.
8:04 left?
Yeah. This is a bad idea.
Okay. Oh. Then change it to 15 minutes.
That's cheating.
You still got 8 minutes left.
I know. Oh, there's no way this bow is getting fluffed. But I guess as long as it's on there, that's fine. Ah! Alright, let's drop this. I am recording, right? Okay, good. You need to go over there. Uh-oh, I almost dropped. Oh! Okay. 6:18. There is no way this is happening. Can you see my wire cutters anywhere? I'm gonna need them in a minute.
Looks like my wire cutters.
They are your wire cutters. They were bequeathed to me. Oh crap, that was supposed to go down here. Oh well. Alright, give me the bush with the buffalo jack pumpkins in it. Oh my god, Mom, you're killing me. It's right here.
Didn't have it.
Oh my god. Oh, crap. Okay, take that. Go away. Alright, how are we doing? What are we doing? How are we doing? 5 minutes. That doesn't fill me with great confidence. I'm just throwing stuff, yo.
You want all these leaves off?
No, don't take them off. I gotta do it.
Oh. But you're not keeping them.
No, you can throw them away. They're ugly. Okay, 350. How is it looking?
A hot mess right now.
Mama, come on.
I know, but you just got everything jammed up in there.
Oh, hopefully they will. As long as it's in there. I'm not counting fluffing this out.
Oh, okay. Well, it looks fantastic then.
Thank you. So supportive.
This
Is
girl, this
that a big peony?
yeah, sure. Let's go with that. You don't need this guy?
I don't know yet. Ah, crap, I forgot to take the leaf off of it. Oh, crap.
You said no curse words.
That's not a curse word. 2
Well,
minutes and
crap.
39 seconds. I got this. Ah. Do I have this?
Sure. Let's go with you.
Ah. Why does 10 minutes seem to go by so fast?
There you go.
I didn't want to use all those leaves, but you know what? Hopefully they'll show up at another Dollar Tree. That went nowhere. I'm going to be picking glue strands off of this wreath until next week. It does say 17 seconds? Oh no, it's a minute and 14. Jesus. Okay. That is not in there at all.
That's a lot.
Yeah. My hands are shaking.
You nervous?
Yeah,
Why?
because that timer's about to go off.
Okay. You done. You said you wasn't including fluffing.
Seconds, it looks like. Let's see the tail. Okay. Holy crap.
Good job.
Wow. How is it?
Let's take a
Let me
look.
look at it because I was not looking at all.
And you wasn't counting fluffing, and you did.
Now, I know you have a daughter who's in the Sports Hall of Fame, but can she make a wreath in 10 minutes?
No. She probably can't even decide what to put in a wreath in 10 minutes.
She's a mess.
All right. Oh, wow.
So I spend 10 minutes fluffing bows in my videos, so it's like... But I mean, that was basic. I don't know if it was out the door, ready to be out the door in 10 minutes, but... Especially because where's the tail? What's the tail? That was fun. Should we do these once a month?
Sure, let's go for that.
Oh my god, can you imagine? Y'all, I told my mom, I was like, hey, when we get home, I want to film a 10-minute wreath challenge. She said, what is that? I said, I'm going to make a wreath in 10 minutes. She said, do you have all the mesh cut? And I was like, I can't make a deco mesh wreath in 10 minutes. I can't even cut mesh in 10 minutes. Everything stayed. This bow is giving me a little bit of attitude, but... Okay, we're not counting. We're not counting. Put that back in now. How did that not fall out when I shook it? Okay. Now, this is not about being like, oh, look how fast I can make a wreath. I just wanted to try and see. But was that any different, except just faster than the way I would normally make one of these wreaths? I would just throw crap in there until I liked the way it looked.
Correct.
This bow is bothering me for some reason.
You would have probably taken your time putting stuff all around, but yeah.
Yeah.
But it looks good.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Yep.
Thank you for being a good ribbon holder. I told my mom she had to hold the 50-yard. What is that? What's going on? You bend backwards because I guess that's what you're gonna do. I said you have to hold the 50-yard spool. She said why? Just like that. I said because it doesn't fit on the spool holder and I can't be chasing it all around the table. I am kind of bummed I used the last of these leaves, but let's pretend like that's totally glued in.
What?
Well, it is. It's just. All right, I pulled it out. Okay. Wow, I think I need a fried shrimp sandwich after that.
Yay.
but I will have a tuna melt.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Here's my wreath. I'm gonna definitely go back and make sure everything is. Oh, he's so annoying. He knows as soon as I'm like, okay, y'all. I'm gonna go back and make sure everything is glued in. But it feels pretty good, except the peony and the other thing I had to glue in. What is going on with these tails? I'm gonna have to move that flower that's under there. But cost breakdown would be one bush was $6 at Walmart, right? The other one was $4. That's $10. I used 4 from Dollar Tree. That is
14.
14.
The wreath.
The wreath was $5.
That's 19.
And the bow was probably. Why is my passcode enabled? Okay. What did I say? 19 plus.
Whatever the bow is.
20, 19, 20, 21, 22 times 3 plus 25 equals $91.
Wow.
How much do you get paid an hour, Mama?
$18.70.
Oh, I wasn't expecting you to actually say that, but okay. All right, y'all. So if you would like this wreath, I don't think it's going to be $91.
But roughly.
I'm always like, the bow was $5, and I'm like, it's got 2 yards of ribbon, and there's no way that bow was $5. So, especially since this is not the terrible Michael's buffalo check, but it's a terrible Walmart buffalo check. But it matches the pumpkins. This one's kind of hidden. I need to bring that one up. So, Mom, grab me one of those. That color pumpkin. Don't knock on the ornament. Thank you. And look, you could. Oh, kind of like that. I don't know. You can put that in there too. That's nice, huh? I mean, the colors look good. Alright, y'all. If you want to buy this, it'll be listed on Etsy for somewhere between, what did I say, 90?
91.
60 to 90? I don't know. I need to add in shipping and everything. So, yeah. If anybody else does this, anybody else is crazy, let me know. Somebody, I'm sure a lot of people could do this because they would not take as long to make that bow as I did. And that was half my time. And I'm still fluffing it. Alright, it'll be linked down below. Let me zoom out all the way so they can see the whole thing. It'll be linked down below my Etsy shop, along with Instagram if you want to follow me over there. Patreon, if you want to join, it's $5 a month for exclusive content and videos and tutorials and behind the scenes stuff. And if you want to tip me on Venmo, how much is a shrimp sandwich?
$9.99.
$9.99. If you want to tip me $9.99, you can buy my mom a shrimp sandwich. I don't put garbage food in my body.
I do.
She does.
I do.
But she's also 27 years older than me and in much better health, so. All right, y'all, it'll be listed. Check out the links down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Holy crap.